I typed one prompt into Claude Desktop, and it automatically turned a text file into a finished MP3 voiceover using ElevenLabs. No copy paste, no opening ElevenLabs, no downloading files manually. Watch this.
AI tools are changing the way people make money online, and most people are still sleeping on this. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 tools I use every single week to save time,
That audio was generated completely automatically, and the crazy part, people charge $50 to $200 for voiceovers like this. Today, I'm showing you the exact AI pipeline I use to create production-ready voiceovers in under 60 seconds. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create the folder structure. This is where Claude is going to read your scripts from and where it's going to drop the finished audio files. So I'm in File Explorer, I'm going into Documents, and I'm creating a new folder. I'm calling mine Vector Wealth AI. You can call yours whatever you want. Now inside that folder, I'm creating 2 more folders. One called Scripts. This is where I drop my raw text files, and one called Voiceovers. This is where the MP3 files are going to land automatically. That's it for the folders. Simple. Now let's connect Claude Desktop. Okay, so open up Claude Desktop, go to Settings, and look for Developer down here on the left side. Click that. You're going to see this screen that says Local MCP Servers, and right now it says No Servers Added. That's what we're going to fix. Click Edit Config. This is going to open a JSON file in Notepad or Notepad++. Now, don't let that scare you. We're literally just going to paste some text in here. That's all this is. Select everything in the file, delete it, and paste in this config. So what this is doing, it's telling Claude Desktop 2 things. First, connect to ElevenLabs using my API key, and second, you have permission to read and write files inside my scripts and voiceovers folders. That's the whole thing. Now I'm going to save this, Control S, and fully restart Claude Desktop. Not just close the window, actually quit it from the taskbar and reopen it. Okay, it's back open. Let me go back to Settings, Developer, and yeah, it's showing an error on the file system server. Don't worry, this is actually something that catches a lot of people, and it's a super easy fix. See, the error says server disconnected. Let me click View Logs and see what's going on. Okay, so I can see it right here. It says it can't find the path. And the reason is, on Windows, if you have OneDrive set up, your Documents folder isn't actually at the normal location. It's inside OneDrive. So the fix is simple. I'm going to go back to Edit Config, find the path for the scripts folder, and update it to the real path. Let me open File Explorer, click on the Vector Wealth AI folder, and look at the address bar up top. There it is. It says OneDrive, Documents, Vector Wealth AI. So I need that full path in my config. Going back to the config file, I'm updating both paths, the scripts path and the voiceovers path, to use the OneDrive version. Save it. Restart Claude Desktop again. Back to Settings, Developer, and look at that. ElevenLabs running. File system running. Both green. Okay, so now Claude Desktop can read files from my scripts folder, and it's connected live to ElevenLabs. This is where it gets fun. All right, so now let me show you the full thing end to end, and I'm going to do this live. No pre-made files, nothing set up beforehand. So the first thing I'm going to do is write a quick script right here in Claude Desktop chat. I'm going to paste it in and ask Claude to save it as a text file directly into my scripts folder. Watch this. Okay, Claude's saving it, and look at the other side. demo_script.txt just dropped right into the scripts folder. I didn't touch File Explorer, I didn't save anything manually, I just typed it in chat. Now here's where the magic happens. I'm going to go back to Claude Desktop and run my voiceover prompt on that exact file. This is the prompt I use for every single video on this channel. Hit enter, and now watch. Okay, it's reading the file, cleaning it up, sending to ElevenLabs. Oh, it couldn't find that voice ID, but it's actually suggesting me a list of available voices right here. That's pretty cool. Let me just pick one from the list and drop it in the chat. Okay, it's processing again now. Okay, look at the other side. The MP3 file just dropped into the Voiceovers folder automatically. Now the file name isn't exactly what I asked for, but that's an easy fix. Just tell Claude to rename it and it's done. So the whole pipeline, script in, audio out, completely hands-free. Let me play it.
AI tools are changing the way people make money online, and most people are...
That's it. That whole thing, from typing the script to having a production-ready MP3 in my folder, was under 60 seconds. No switching to ElevenLabs, no pasting text, no downloading files, no dragging anything anywhere. I just talked to Claude Desktop and the file appeared. That's the pipeline. Now here's the thing. If you're a content creator, this just cut your production time in half. But if you're looking to make money with this, think about it this way. Freelancers are charging clients for exactly this. You write the script, you run this pipeline, you deliver a professional voiceover in under a minute. Even at $50 a pop, 5 clients a week is $250. That's just with free tools. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you the full installation process, how to install UV, how to set up node.js, all of that step by step, because I know some of you watching this haven't done that part yet. I'll link that video right here when it's up. If this helped you, hit subscribe because I'm dropping these workflows every week. And drop a comment below. Let me know if your pipeline is running or if you hit any issues. I actually read those. I'll see you in the next one.